Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your Motorola Moto E6 Play, let's go for the settings, scroll down, find System, select Languages and Input, enter for Virtual Keyboard and go for the Gboard. Next we have to move for the theme, and I'm going to set up the simple green color, so set your own, click Apply. And right now, as you can see, when we enter to use the keyboard, our theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.